Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial on using the main tables on monday.com. So, how we are going to create the main table on monday.com? Process is very easy, very simple. The main table is the heart of any board, and today we'll explore how to get the most out of it. So let's just get started. Let me show you guys that this is the main table. You see, I have already created this one. And this is only for the video purpose. For the users who already use monday.com, they're well aware that monday.com is used to streamline your stuff. And if you're a newbie, first of all, what you gotta do, the first step is you need to go to your sign up page, and there you are going to give your email and as a table password to create this dashboard and this home screen. They're going to ask you some simple questions from which they're going to figure out what type of the mainstream user you are. And you can also choose whether you are a freelancer or you also have a company, or, you're going to answer some basic questions. And after that, if you already are a user, you are going to simply log in. And this is the dashboard that is going to appear on your screen. Let's just talk about how the main table is crucial. The main table is used to centralize data management. They are also very customizable. The table enables the team to organize the structure and their data in a logical and very consistent manner. So let's just talk about it, that how we are going to create it, and after that I will be telling you more uses of this table, because right here, even if you create the table, if you don't have any idea about why and what are the uses of this table, it is of no use. So let's just get started. What you're going to do, you see on this dashboard or the home screen after you log in or sign up, this is going to be the blue button that you see on your screen. You are simply going to go click on this plus icon, and here you see there are so many options: project, portfolio, board, document, dashboard, forms, folder, or you may also have other options as well. So my main focus is going to be on this board. I'm going to click on it, and you see there are other two options. Whether you're looking for a new board from the scratch, or you can also start with the template directly. So I'm going to start from the scratch and click on new board. Now you are going to enter the name. Let's just say my main table board name is ABC. Okay, you can also do whatever you want. Now you're allowed to choose the privacy, whether you want your board to be visible to only certain people. So it is going to be shareable, it is going to be private, or it may also be main. These are the three privacies, so you can simply lock your views. Let's just select that what you are managing in this board. Okay, so you may also set it to private, or you also set it to shareable. I would try to keep it to main because I want it to be visible to everyone who is present in my account. So now just let's select what you are managing in this board, whether they're the items, whether they are the campaigns, or they're creative, they're custom. You can write whatever you want over here, whether you're dealing with your freelancers, you're dealing with your clients, your creatives, campaigns, leads, your employees, your budgets, projects, and tasks. You see so many options, you can choose any one of them. Let's just say I'm choosing the items one, and we are going to click on create board. It might take a second to load, and you see, as I always say, I mostly like, and this is that what I'm trying to say is that I mostly like those websites who have their features secured. You see that I have created my main table. Now I am able to change the group title. Let's just say my group title is ABC. You can also change the items. You can write it over here, and you can select these, or you can unselect these. You are going to edit all the details. Let's just say that I am going to type here ABC1. You can type here ABC2 and whatever, so on. You may also have the option to add more items in this way. This is the main table that you can create. So this is how you're going to set up your main table. Now we're going to talk about what is the understanding and we are going to learn and get the proper idea, the proper understanding of this main table. The main table is where all your items are living. It is a customizable table that basically allows you to track and manage your work. Let's take a closer look at different components of the main table, including their columns, their rows, and their each and every cell. So, let's just talk about adding and managing different items. So to add a new item to the main table, you see there's an option of this. You're simply going to click on it and you are going to be able to add the new item. Let's just say that you are going to add the name, the description, or the team member. So how you're going to do this? Now we're going to talk about how we are going to customize these columns. Or let me just type here ABC34 for you guys. So we're going to click on Shift and it is going to add an item. You see we can change the status as well. Let's just say it is completely done, and yeah, you see this is completely done. We can change the status. We can also add the date. Let's just say it is 9th 11th, and yeah, this is how we are going to add different new items. You can add as many as one. You can also change the group title. Now we're going to talk about how we can use the filters and sorting. You see, filters and sorting allow you to narrow down your view and focus on a specific item. Let's demonstrate how to apply filters and sort and save the custom views. This will basically help you to quickly find the information that you're looking for. So you see, this is the option of sorting it, so you can simply sort it. You can choose the columns by the name, by the person, by the status, or by the date. You can also decide your order in which you are going to sort it. Then there is an option of hiding it, or you see there are so many options. You can use any one of these, and in this way you will be able to edit these. You can also cause the grouping as well as the sub items you see over here. You see it allows you to organize your work in a hierarchical structure. You see, let's show you how to group items by different criteria. See, if I choose over here, let's just say I'm dividing it on the basis of the status. So you see, the done ones are present over here. And we can also choose the order of what we are looking for. You see, the done ones are present over here, the working ones are present over here. This is how you're going to sort them. You can also add more tables. You see my dashboard, my main space, my main table is present over here. You can also open it in a new tab. You can rename it whenever you want. You can also move it to a new folder, to a new workspace, or you can move it to the new template. You can change the type. You can set it to private. You can also change it to shareable, or you can keep it to main. You can also add it to the favorites. You can duplicate it, or you can also save it as a template, so that when the next time you're going to create another table, you would already be having a main table as a template. Or you can simply go delete it and all the product will be deleted. This is how you're going to create your main table. So that it's for today's tutorial on using the main table. I hope you found this helpful in getting started with this powerful feature that Monday.com is providing to its user. The main table is a flexible and customizable tool that can be tailored to your team's specific need that you're working with. If you have any question or you want to learn more, feel free to check out our resources or simply reach out to us. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.